Oh no! My wallet is gone. Have you ever lost your wallet or had it stolen? It can feel scary or stressful, but don't worry. Today, we will learn what to do if your wallet is stolen. We will learn important words and useful phrases. You will see clear steps, practice simple dialogues, and feel more confident in English. Let's get started. First, imagine you are in a busy coffee shop. You put your wallet on the table. Later, you reach for it, but it's not there. You look in your bag and pockets. Your wallet is missing. You feel worried, but you know what to do. Step 1. Stay calm and think. Ask yourself, did I drop it? Did I leave it somewhere? Check your bag, your pockets, and the table. If you still cannot find it, your wallet may be stolen. Step 2. Cancel your cards. This means you tell your bank or credit card company to stop your cards. This helps protect your money. Take your phone. Call your bank. You can say, "Hello, my wallet was stolen. Please cancel my cards." The person on the phone will ask for your name and maybe some details. Speak slowly and clearly. Important words. Wallet. Stolen. Credit card. Cancel. Bank. Step 3. Report the theft to the police. You can go to the police station or you can call the police on the phone. If you go to the police station, walk to the counter, smile and wait for your turn. The police officer is there to help you. Now let's practice a simple conversation. You, excuse me, I need to make a police report. Police officer, what happened? You, my wallet was stolen. Police officer, when did it happen? You, it happened today at the coffee shop. Police officer, where were you sitting? You, near the window at table 3. Police officer, can you describe your wallet? You, it's a small black wallet. It had my ID and credit card. Police officer, did you have any cash inside? You, yes, I had $20. The police officer will write down your information. They might ask for your name, your phone number, and what was in your wallet. Try to answer as best as you can. Key phrases to remember. I need to make a police report. My wallet was stolen. It happened today. It happened at the coffee shop. My wallet is small and black. It had my ID and credit card. The police officer will give you a paper with a number on it. This is your case number. A case number is special. It helps the police find your report. Keep your case number in a safe place. You might need it for your bank or your insurance. Let's review the important steps. 1. Check your bag and pockets. Look everywhere. 2. If your wallet is still missing, call your bank and cancel your cards. 3. Go to the police station or call the police. 4. Tell the police what happened. Give details about your wallet and what was inside. 5. Get your case number. Keep it safe. Now let's focus on some important words and what they mean. Wallet. A small case for carrying money, cards, and ID. Stolen. Taken by someone without permission. Police station. The place where police officers work. Report. To tell the police or another official about a problem or crime. Case number. A special number for your police report. Cancel. To stop something like a credit card. Let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. My wallet was stolen. I need to cancel my card. I want to make a police report. My wallet is black and small. It happened today. Here is my case number. Now let's answer some practice questions. 1. If your wallet is stolen, what is the first thing you should do? A. Go shopping. B. Cancel your cards. C. Go home. The answer is B. Cancel your cards. 2. Where can you report a stolen wallet? A. At the police station. B. At the supermarket. C. At the library. The answer is A. At the police station. 3. What information should you give the police? A. Your favorite color. B. Details about your wallet and what was inside. C. The name of your friend. The answer is B. You should give details about your wallet and what was inside. Let's practice a role play. Imagine you are at the police station. The police officer asks you questions. Try to answer. Police officer, what happened? You, my wallet was stolen. Police officer, when did it happen? You, it happened today. Police officer, where did it happen? You, at the coffee shop. Police officer, can you describe your wallet? You, it's small and black. It had my ID and credit card. Great job. The police officer will help you. Remember, it is important to speak slowly and clearly. If you do not understand a question, you can say, "Can you repeat that, please?" Or, "Can you speak more slowly?" Sometimes you may need to call the police instead of going to the station. On the phone, you can say, "Hello, I want to report a stolen wallet. My wallet was stolen today. It happened at the coffee shop." The police will help you and make a report. Let's review the key vocabulary one more time. Wallet. Stolen. Police station. Report. Case number. Cancel. Now you know what to do if your wallet is stolen. Stay calm. Cancel your cards. Go to the police station or call the police. Give clear details, get your case number, and keep it safe. Practicing these words and phrases will help you feel more confident. Remember, you are not alone. Many people lose their wallet or have it stolen. The police and your bank are there to help you. You can do it. Practice the dialogues, learn the vocabulary, and you will be ready if this happens to you. Thank you for learning with us today. You are doing a great job. Keep practicing, and you will get better every day. Stay safe and remember the important steps if your wallet is stolen. Good luck!